This is Prof. Yes, your professor of profit. And today we're going to be talking about graphs and more kind of when we look at the graphs, what are the three main types of graphs that we use in business? In graphs in general, there are thousands of different types of graphs, but in business, we generally use three main types of graphs. So we're going to talk, what are they? But before that, let's just ask you, why would you want to use a graph? What is the purpose of using a graph? So first of all, a graph is used to present the information in an artistic way. It needs to be accurate, but an artistic way. It also shows the relationship between things more forcefully. It shows that the one's going up compared to the other. And also, I'm sure you've heard this saying that a picture paints 1,000 words. So by showing a graph, you're showing a whole lot of information all at once, and people can see that. Even if you look in the newspapers, you will see a graph, a photograph. So it's similar to a graph, but it's a photograph, and you get the whole picture of what they're trying to say all at once. So that's why we use it. In business, as I said, three main types of graphs. The pie chart, sometimes called the circle graph, the bar chart, and then the line graph. Sometimes they are interchangeable. Sometimes you can use the one or the other. Other times it's wrong to use the one or the other. So let's have a look very briefly at those. So we'll look at the pie chart first. When you use a pie chart, when you're showing 100% of something, when you're showing a total of something and how it's broken into its different portions. Your bar and your line graph are shown for other purposes. You would use your bar graph to show distinct or separate information. For instance, what were your sales on Monday only, Tuesday only, Wednesday only, etc. Your line graph would be showing you continuous information. What happened on Monday plus the Tuesday plus the Wednesday, etc. So you would use them for different purposes. And you can also compare one period to the next. So you could have two bars next to each other and two lines next to each other. And we're going to talk about that in the next video. So this is your professor of profit, Prof. And I'll be back before you know it.